How to build power with resistance training, a step-by-step guide. Are you looking to build power and strength through your workouts? Resistance training is an effective way to achieve your fitness goals. In this video, we will guide you through a simple DIY project that will help you build power through resistance training. First, let's talk about why resistance training is so effective for building power. When you perform resistance exercises, you are working against a force that your muscles have to overcome. This force stimulates muscle growth and improves your overall strength and power. Now, let's get started with the DIY project. Here are the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Gather your materials. To build your own resistance band, you will need a few materials. You will need a length of elastic band, scissors, and a carabiner clip. Step 2. Cut the elastic band. Cut the elastic band to the desired length. Make sure the length is appropriate for your height and the exercises you want to perform. Step 3. Attach the carabiner clip. Attach the carabiner clip to both ends of the elastic band. This will allow you to easily attach and detach the band from other equipment. Step 4. Test your band. Test your band by performing a few exercises. Make sure the resistance is appropriate for your fitness level, and adjust the length of the band if necessary. Now that you have your own resistance band, you can use it to perform a variety of exercises that will help you build power and strength. Here are a few exercises to get you started. Squats, lunges, bicep curls, tricep extensions, chest presses. Incorporate these exercises into your regular workout routine and gradually increase the resistance as you get stronger. You will start to see improvements in your power and strength in no time. In conclusion, building power through resistance training is an effective way to achieve your fitness goals. With this simple DIY project, you can create your own resistance band and start performing exercises that will help you build strength and power. Give it a try and see the results for yourself.